Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, a piece of fabric is cut to exactly cover a circular table. If the table has a circumference of 18 pi feet, what is the area of the fabric? Well, in order to solve this problem, I'm going to refresh my memory and write down all of the formulas that I know or typically use when dealing with a circle. So I'm going to write down the area to find a circle is the formula pi r squared, and then the formula used to calculate the circumference is 2 pi r. And when I look at this problem, I can see that it's telling me the circumference of the circle already, which is 18 pi feet. But when I look at my circumference formula, I can see that I'm given 2 pi r. So if I'm only given one number and pi, but the circumference formula tells me 2 in radius, I know that I can multiply those two numbers and it's the equivalent of having the 18 in the pi, because this must be the diameter's length, because when you multiply 2 times radius, you get the diameter. So if it's only going to be a singular number next to pi, then I'm going to have the circumference. So that means radius has to be 9, because this is like saying the 18 is halved in order to get the radius, which is like undoing the 18 pi in order to get back here. So radius equals 9. Now that I've calculated the radius, I can use this number to plug into my area formula and I can answer the question. So it's pi 9 squared. Well, 9 squared is 81, so that's 81 pi, and don't forget your units, that would be feet squared. So the answer to this problem is 81 pi feet squared. If you were to multiply the 81 times 3.14, it would give you a decimal answer, but that answer is going to be rounded. If I leave my problem as 81 times the symbol pi, that gives me a more exact answer. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math, where you can get access to a live math tutor who can help you with all your math